Hi, we're SERVPRO Team Luciani, locally owned and operated since 2006. With over 80 dedicated team members, a fleet of 40-plus vehicles, and 7 locations across Connecticut, we're always ready to respond, 24/7, with a guaranteed response time of 2 hours or less. Consistently ranked in the top 2% of SERVPRO franchises nationwide for over 16 years, we've earned over 1,000 5-star reviews. We are also proud members of both the SERVPRO National Storm Response Team and the National Large Loss Team. But that's just who we are when it comes to qualifications. At our core, we are a team united by shared values. We believe in working together to deliver exceptional service, holding ourselves accountable with an ownership mindset, and constantly growing to be better for our customers. Above all, we care about your property, your experience, and our community. These values are the foundation of everything we do, and they're what make us Team Luciani.